Have you ever stood in front of a closed door, only to realize later that it was a blessing in disguise? Well, today, let's embark on a journey tailored to my experiences, inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius. Picture a world where every rejection doesn't knock you down, but rather propels you forward. Rejection, a term that often stings, can serve as a springboard to greatness. It's not about defying fate, but understanding that sometimes a no from the universe is a veiled yes to something even better. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued, it's time to flip the script. In this video, I'll unravel 13 potent lessons that delve into the art of turning rejection into fuel for personal growth. But before we delve in, let's ensure this wisdom reaches as many as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell. It signals to the platform that you're finding value in what we're sharing. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey together. Lesson 1. Rise above the indifference. In the face of being ignored or dismissed, rising above indifference is a testament to our self-worth. It's recognizing that someone else's behavior doesn't define our value. Understanding that their indifference is often rooted in their insecurities allows us to maintain our confidence and resilience. Instead of allowing rejection to knock us down, we can use it as motivation to keep moving forward. Rising above indifference isn't about seeking revenge or proving others wrong. It's about affirming our worth and choosing to focus on the people and opportunities that truly appreciate us. By embracing our values and refusing to be defined by others' opinions, we empower ourselves to navigate rejection with grace and dignity. Lesson 2. Maintain composure. In the face of rejection, maintaining composure is a powerful act of self-control and resilience. It's about refusing to let our emotions dictate our actions, even in the most challenging situations. Stoicism teaches us to respond thoughtfully and calmly, rather than reacting impulsively or emotionally. By staying composed, we not only preserve our peace of mind, but also demonstrate emotional maturity and strength. Instead of lashing out or seeking validation from others, we can choose to respond with grace and dignity. This doesn't mean denying our feelings or pretending everything is fine. It means acknowledging our emotions while choosing to respond in a way that aligns with our values and principles. Ultimately, maintaining composure allows us to navigate rejection with poise and integrity, regardless of the circumstances. Lesson 3. Detach and navigate. Detachment is not about numbing ourselves to the pain of rejection. It's about acknowledging the rejection without letting it define us. It's recognizing that rejection is often a reflection of the other person's insecurities or biases, rather than a reflection of our worth. By detaching ourselves from the outcome of rejection, we free ourselves to explore new opportunities and possibilities. This allows us to navigate rejection with a sense of curiosity and resilience, rather than allowing it to hold us back. Detachment empowers us to turn setbacks into stepping stones for growth and self-discovery. By embracing rejection as a natural part of life and refusing to let it define us, we can move forward with confidence and optimism. Lesson 4. Let resilience shine. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back from rejection. It's about thriving despite it. It's about refusing to let rejection define us or hold us back from pursuing our goals and dreams. When we embrace rejection as an opportunity to reveal our grit and determination, we empower ourselves to overcome any obstacle that comes our way. Instead of allowing rejection to diminish our value or self-confidence, we can use it as fuel to shine even brighter. By focusing on our strengths and staying true to ourselves, we can turn rejection into a catalyst for growth and success. Resilience is not just about weathering the storm. It's about emerging from it stronger and more resilient than ever before. Lesson 5. Embrace silence. Silence can be a powerful tool in the face of indifference. Instead of seeking validation or attention from those who ignore us, we can choose to embrace the quiet and focus on our inner peace. By redirecting our attention to pursuits that truly matter to us, we reclaim our power and dignity in the face of rejection. This doesn't mean ignoring our feelings or pretending everything is fine. It means acknowledging our emotions while choosing to respond in a way that honors our well-being. By embracing silence as a form of self-care and self-preservation, we assert our value and refuse to be defined by others' opinions or actions. Lesson 6. Prove through action. Actions speak louder than words, especially when it comes to overcoming rejection. Instead of getting caught up in proving others wrong, we can focus on proving ourselves right. By diving deep into learning, practicing relentlessly, and letting our results speak for themselves, we demonstrate our resilience and determination to succeed. This isn't about seeking validation or approval from others. It's about staying true to ourselves and our goals. When we focus on taking action and pursuing our passions, we not only prove our capabilities to others, but more importantly, to ourselves. By embracing rejection as an opportunity to push ourselves further and reach new heights, we can turn setbacks into stepping stones for success. Lesson 7. Seek joy. Amid rejection, it's easy to get bogged down by negativity and despair. But embracing joy can be a powerful antidote to these feelings. By intentionally seeking out moments of joy and connection, we remind ourselves of the beauty and abundance that still exist in our lives. Whether it's through shared experiences with loved ones or pursuing hobbies that bring us fulfillment, joy can be a beacon of hope in times of darkness. By actively seeking out joy and embracing the things that bring us happiness, we can cultivate resilience and strength in the face of rejection. Joy is not just a fleeting emotion. It's a powerful force that can help us overcome adversity and find meaning and purpose in our lives. Lesson 8. Elevate social status. Building social status isn't about climbing a hierarchical ladder. It's about fostering meaningful connections and relationships. By engaging in activities that enhance our personal growth and contribute to the community, we not only elevate our own social status, but also create a network of support and encouragement. Sharing our journey with others not only strengthens our bonds, but also inspires others to embark on their own path of growth and self-discovery. By focusing on building genuine connections and adding value to the lives of others, we can elevate our social status in a way that is authentic and meaningful. Social status isn't about popularity or recognition. It's about creating a community of support and encouragement that empowers us to thrive. Lesson 9. Act as if they don't exist. When faced with indifference, the most powerful response is often to simply act as if the other person doesn't exist. Instead of wasting our energy on trying to gain their attention or approval, we can choose to focus on those who truly value and appreciate us. By maintaining professionalism and dignity in our interactions, we assert our self-worth and integrity, regardless of how others may perceive us. This doesn't mean ignoring or dismissing the other person. It means recognizing that our value isn't dependent on their acknowledgement or approval. By focusing on the people and opportunities that truly matter to us, we can navigate rejection with confidence and grace, knowing that we are worthy of respect and recognition, regardless of others' opinions or actions. Lesson 10. Give silent treatment. Silence can be a powerful form of self-care and self-preservation in the face of rejection. Instead of engaging in fruitless attempts to change someone's opinion or behavior, we can choose to remain silent and focus on our well-being. By using silence as a tool for self-reflection and emotional mastery, we reinforce our inner strength and resilience. This doesn't mean ignoring our feelings or pretending everything is fine. It means acknowledging our emotions while choosing to respond in a way that honors our well-being. By embracing silence as a form of self-care and self-preservation, we assert our value and refuse to be defined by others' opinions or actions. Lesson 11. Don't beg for attention. Seeking validation from others is a futile endeavor that only serves to diminish our sense of self-worth. Instead of begging for attention or approval, we can choose to focus on cultivating our happiness and fulfillment. By investing in our passions and pursuits, we create a life that is rich and meaningful, independent of others' opinions or judgments. This isn't about performing for an audience or seeking external validation. It's about finding joy and satisfaction in our accomplishments and experiences. When we stop seeking approval from others and start living authentically, we discover a newfound sense of confidence and self-assurance that can't be shaken by rejection or indifference. Lesson 12. Be kind but emotionally distant. Responding with kindness in the face of rejection is a powerful act of self-respect and integrity. By maintaining emotional distance, we protect our peace of mind and preserve our dignity. This doesn't mean shutting ourselves off from others or becoming cold-hearted. Rather, it means setting boundaries and prioritizing our well-being in all interactions. By responding with kindness and empathy, we demonstrate our strength and maturity even in the face of rejection or indifference. This approach allows us to maintain our composure and dignity, regardless of how others may treat us. Lesson 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Rejection is a natural part of life, but it doesn't have to define us. Instead of dwelling on our struggles or seeking pity from others, we can choose to focus on our growth and resilience. By maintaining our composure and dignity in the face of rejection, we demonstrate our inner strength and fortitude. This isn't about hiding our emotions or pretending everything is fine. It's about refusing to let rejection diminish our sense of self-worth and confidence. By focusing on our journey of personal growth and self-discovery, we turn rejection into an opportunity to strengthen our resolve and deepen our understanding of ourselves. In essence, by not revealing our struggle, we embrace the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience and demonstrate our unwavering commitment to our well-being and self-improvement. Together, these lessons form a comprehensive guide to navigating rejection with grace, resilience, and integrity. By embracing the principles of Stoicism and focusing on our own growth and self-worth, we can turn rejection into a catalyst for personal transformation and success. So, the next time you face rejection, remember these lessons and approach them with confidence, knowing that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. In conclusion, mastering the art of navigating rejection is not just about overcoming obstacles. It's about transforming them into opportunities for growth and resilience. Each lesson we've explored today offers a unique perspective on how to face rejection with strength and dignity. Now, I challenge you to apply these insights in your own life. Embrace rejection not as a setback, but as a catalyst for personal development and self-discovery. Share your journey with us, your victories, your struggles, and your moments of triumph. Remember to hit that subscribe button to stay connected and ring the notification bell to never miss an update. Your interaction fuels this community, guiding us toward wisdom, understanding, and the art of turning every challenge into an opportunity. Together, let's continue mastering the art of Stoic resilience. Stay resilient, stay empowered, and keep thriving.